Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. You will have to pay tourism tax to go to Bali now, so here's how to make the most of your money. Prime Minister Modi unveils development projects worth 17,000 crore in Rajasthan. January fog spell delays record no. Off flyers, Mumbai and Delhi airports worst hit. Yatra Online Limited reports strong revenue growth of 23% year. Domestic air passenger traffic reached 13.1 million in January 2024. Incentives for tourists. Malaysian offers for business groups. Reslift.com keen to expand agent base for its affiliate .travel product in India. Nearly 5 lakh passengers affected due to flight delays in January 2024. DGCA. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.